10k here again. I have this letter, well, email, that the name is Miguel Peter. We're going to leave your last name out. From New York. And we're going to read this slow. It says, I am a practitioner for over 15 years. I help a lot of people, but in this time of helping, I also hurt myself. How do I protect myself? By someone saying, I am not using God, but they are. Can you catch my drift? Look at that, guys. Can you catch my drift? We got your drift. Miguel, number one, look at this. When you do spiritual healing, you have to give fact to a spirit. Now, everything is an entity, and energy is neither good nor bad. You've been affected, and you have put pain on yourself, and you need to balance your left and right directions of energy more into the spine. And it doesn't matter what is being said. It doesn't matter what is being said. See, guys? So, Miguel, that means that you're dealing with a fiery spirit. Okay? A fiery spirit. Now, the inner child in you has been having many issues. Now, the inner child, as we're looking, you need a protection that's around you. And this protection comes more from your ancestors. And everything happens for a reason. So, you need to not try to please who you're with. And when someone comes to you, you tell them that I can only facilitate to the level that you either let go of or you try to control, and you cause your own suffering until you rid your own illusion inside of you. Okay, Miguel? So, there's a lot of healers out there that deal with, well, they're telling me that this isn't right, that isn't right, my practice isn't right, this isn't done, I'm getting angry at this one, that one. No, you're just weak. I hear a lot of healers turn around and say, oh, I am so exhausted after I work with someone. Why? Who told you that you are? Maybe there's so much inside of you that you're getting rid out of you, and you think you're ridding something inside of someone else. First, you must be a clear vessel. So that means you're going into your practice the wrong way. There got to be a law. Took a glass of water there, took a break. See? Life is precious. Live it right. Take care, guys.